nutritious grains turned into easily digestible weaning food for babies. Let's make barley water, dal water, and rice water for babies of 6 months and above. For making barley water, I am taking 2 tablespoons of whole barley grains. Let's wash the grains and drain off the impure water. Next, I am soaking the barley grains for 2 hours in around half a cup of water. After 2 hours, you will see the barley grains have softened. I am transferring the soaked barley grains with the water to a cooking pan, adding 2 cups of water and closing the lid for the grains to boil for 15 minutes. When it comes to cooking baby food, it is not only important what we are cooking, but what we are cooking in. I have always preferred safer cooking utensils like ones made out of stainless steel or iron instead of non-stick cookware. After 15 minutes, you will see the grains cooked and swelled. Let the grains cool down a bit. Once done, transfer to a grinder and grind. What we have here is barley grains puree. To feed the babies, strain the puree in a strainer and what we will get is easy to digest barley extract or water. For the dal ka pani or dal water, I am taking 2 tablespoons of split moong dal. I am washing the grains first. Moong dal is known to be the easiest to digest dal. Once your child is comfortable with it, you can introduce other dals as well. Next, I am soaking the moong dal in half a cup of water for 30 minutes. After soaking, you will find the dal swelled up and tender. I am transferring the soaked dal to a pan and adding 1 cup of water more for the dal to boil. Additionally, I am adding a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of salt, which is totally optional, closing the lid and letting the dal simmer for 15 minutes. In between, skim off the foam if and when formed while boiling the dal. At this point, I am further adding around half a cup of water more to compensate for the reduced quantity. Let's check the dal now. Soft and mushy, dal is cooked. To extract the water out of it, I am simply straining the dal in a steel strainer. After straining, what we have is the nutritious dal water for babies. You can increase the quantity of water if your child likes it more watery. For the rice water, I am taking 2 tablespoons of rice. I am washing the rice, discarding the impure water, and then soaking the rice in around half a cup of water for 30 minutes. Next, I am transferring the soaked rice to a steel saucepan, adding half a cup of water, closing the lid and let the rice cook for 10 minutes. Once done, I am mashing the rice in the pot itself to make it even mushier. And now, all we have to do is strain this. Rice water is ready. When you are introducing these foods to your babies, you need not feed the entire quantity. You can start with small quantities and gradually increase it. And of course, always check with your pediatrician before introducing new food to your babies. Until we meet again, feed well, live well, and stay blessed.